Welcome to Retro Phone Show. Now if you like rare or retro mobile phones, this is definitely the channel for you. Here I am again, bringing you another rare mobile phone, and this is the Sharp GX1. So what are we waiting for? Here we go! Here we have the Sharp GX1, and this was released back in 2002. Now I've looked on eBay, I've looked on YouTube, and I can't find this phone on them too at all. So I believe this phone is quite rare. First of all, we'll have a look at the phone itself, and then we'll check out the ringtones and camera and whatnot. But first of all, let's just show you the chargers and the battery. This is the car charger, in-car charger. Yeah. And we have the house charger. And there's the end of it there. Just the same as the other end on the other one. That is the original charger for it. Put them over there. I'll just show you the battery. This is the original battery and it all works fine. Yeah. It's a perfectly good battery. And here we have the phone itself. Like I said, it's the Sharp GX1. It's quite large. It's quite long, as you can see. I'm not too sure if this is the first Sharp phone, but it's called the GX1, so it possibly could be. Right, here's the keys here on the front, the screen. We have a speaker here on the top, and we have a flashing indicator light there. We have a speaker located here on the bottom. We also have the charging port here on the bottom. On the top here, I believe this is an infrared sensor. On the back here, we have another speaker. We have the camera. And on the side here, we have the earphone jack, which I don't have the original earphones. Let's take this off then. I already have a active O2 SIM card in there, which I will show you all going now in a minute. I'll just show you the back. Right, the battery. Plop him in there. Put the back on. Then just turn him on and have a check out the phone itself. Inside. Yeah, O2 UK. All up and running. It's a very nice phone. Oh, I forgot to tell you, I have got the original case as well, which I'll put it in now at the end to show you it. It came with the original case. Right then, so let's have a look at the menus. The M button here. It's actually the menus. We have camera. My phone. Running games, profiles, organizer, call manager, settings, browser, O2, and so on and so on. Let's check the camera out a minute. See what the camera's like. Yeah, it's not bad. Come on, it's not bad. For an old phone from 2002, it could be better, but could be worse. Right. What else can we check out? Try the camera. Right. My phone. Image gallery. Sound gallery. So on. Right. Fun and games. Select games. PK game. Collection hunter. Air hockey. Game settings. Four files, but we'll check them out in a minute. I'll just do them now. Yeah, we'll do them in a minute. Just have a look at the other things first. Organizer. So you have calculator, calendar, clock and alarm, voice memo, and help list. Call manager. That's obviously to do with your call settings. All that. Phone settings, call settings, network settings, internet settings, infrared. So yes, it has got infrared. Security, master resets. The internet browser. O2 messages and back the camera. Right, let's have a look at the four files now then. Edit. Right. Ringer volume. That's on 5. Keypad tone. Power on tone. Preset melodies. Right, these are all original. These are all the original ringtones, but it is another load on the other. The thing what the person who had the phone before me put on you, and they're all like normal songs and all that. So maybe we'll check them out another time, or I'll put them on my thing. Right, let's have a look. Enjoy the ringtones. Oh, sorry, I pressed the wrong one. Where's the profiles? Right, then let's go back. And here we are. Just ring it a minute. I will do another video with all the ringtones eventually. Right, let's have a look here now. Let's ring this. As you can see it ringing. Yeah. Right, let's show you him in his case. Before we put him in his case though, he's a nice phone. Like I said, I looked on eBay and looked on YouTube and nothing there at all. Right, let's show you it in the case then. It is the original case. Yeah, this original case, which it would have been in 2002. It's got the little belt thing as well. So there you are. There you are. That is the Sharp GX1, which was released in 2002. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll be back pretty soon with another video. But until then, bye!